In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Meta AI on Instagram. While you can't completely remove Meta AI from Instagram, you can certainly minimize its presence. Let's dive into how you can do just that, step by step. First, let's talk about the best working method, muting Meta AI. This is as close as you can get to turning it off. Begin by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Once you have it open, go ahead and tap on the Search tab. You'll recognize it by the magnifying glass icon. From there, tap on the Meta AI icon. This icon might appear as a blue AI symbol. Once you do that, you'll find yourself on the chat screen. Next up, look for the information button. It's usually depicted as a lowercase letter I within a circle. Tap on this button to move forward. Once you're there, select the option to mute. You'll be given a choice. Choose until I change it. This step ensures that you stop receiving notifications and the AI chat won't pop up unexpectedly. While these steps silence Meta AI, keep in mind it remains part of the app, just quieter. Now let's look at option 2, avoiding the triggers of Meta AI in the search function. To make Instagram feel more like it used to, avoid tapping the blue AI icon when you're in the search section. Stick to using regular keywords instead. Also, deliberately ignore any prompts that say Ask Meta AI. To take it a step further, make it a habit to clear your search history every so often. This little effort can reduce your interaction with the AI without having to change any settings. It's a great way to make your browsing experience feel more organic. Moving on, let's discuss privacy control in relation to AI training. This option lets you reduce how your data is used, which in turn could lessen the AI's impact. Start by going into your messages. Tap on the Meta AI assistant when you see it. Just like before, tap on the information button. But this time, navigate through to AI training, then your right to object, and finally, learn more and submit requests here. You'll find a link that lets you submit an object to data use request. This action might reduce the level of personalization the AI offers. However, remember, this will not remove Meta AI from Instagram entirely. Here's an important truth you need to understand. There is no off switch for Meta AI. You cannot uninstall it because it's fundamentally part of Instagram's search and messaging systems. The best you can do is to mute it, avoid engaging with it, and limit how your data is used. Many sources confirm that Meta AI is built into the app and cannot be fully disabled. So, while you can't make it disappear, these steps help you manage its presence. We hope these tips help you regain some control over your Instagram experience. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful guides.